So now let's see how we can work around with the layer arrangement options inside of Corel Draw. So over here, let's say for example, if I were to go around and draw a box right here, let me just go around and color this out as well. And then I'm going to go around and color this out as well right here as well. So I'm just going to go around and color this out as well. So once I go ahead and do that, you can see that I have three of the objects right here, and the red object is at the topmost part right here. So let's say for example I want to send the red back right here. Then what I need to do is work around with layer arrangement. So to do that, if I were to go around onto Windows right here, and then if I were to go around onto the Docker, then I need to enable the objects right here. So once you go around and enable out the object, then what you have is you got the layer right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and then bring this ellipse up right here, the oval up right here, up the rectangle, then you can see that now this comes at the top right here. Similarly, I can go around and bring this red rectangle at the bottom, and now you can see that that is in the backmost area right there, just like that. And that is how you can rearrange out the layers, and then the stack gets changed around over here as well. I can also go ahead and right click and then change around the order right here. For example, I can send it to the back of the page and it goes to the backmost area of the page right here. And I can simply go around and then bring it to the frontmost of the page right here, just like this as well. If I just want it up one layer, then I can simply right click right here and then go to order and then go around on to the front of the layer. So I'm just going to go around over here and then go on to, let's say, to the front of the layer right here, and that is what you have. But if I were to go around over here and say forward one, then it only comes one up right here, just like that. And that is how you can go ahead and work around with the layer arrangement inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.